Okay, aquí va a estar la fence sliding gate right here. And we're going to close this off a little bit. We're going to replace all this 6-foot board on board cap and trim all the way down this way. This whole thing we're going to take out. And we need to take these poles out. She wants them out. She don't want the cement there. If there's cement coming up, she wants to take it out. Like right here, she wants that cement out. So we're going to take all this here. From there, 6-foot board on board cap and trim all the way that way. And also, también, si puedes, aquí en este lado, si podemos poner la pole acá o más para allá, porque aquí viene el lawnmower. She puts the lawnmower through here, so she don't want this pole here, so we can move that over here so she can have room with the lawnmower going through there. Okay, so 6-foot board on board, take this whole thing off. There's the electric for the gate, and the box is right there. Here's the box. There's the box there. Sliding gate here. Sliding gate. I'm going to take this old fence off here. This comes off. No fence here. It's going to be open. Open right here. I'm going to remove all this fence and replace it. So 6-foot board on board cap and trim where the gate ends. We're going to start it here. Go this way. Board on board cap and trim. This way. Board on board cap and trim. From there to the end over here on this side. Board on board cap and trim. Western red cedar. We're going to stop here, replace this. That's going to stay. The gate stays. We don't mess with the gate. Board on board cap and trim from this post all the way to the corner this way with the sliding gate, and replace that side. 6-foot board on board cap and trim. So we're gonna do this fence. There's the neighbor's fence. So we're not gonna mess with this. That stays. Eso se queda. That stays there. We're gonna build our fence. We are gonna take this down. We're gonna take this side down and put a new six foot. So you're gonna we'll have to figure this out here. So we're gonna leave that, but we're gonna put a 6-foot, take off this side, all this, we're gonna take it down, put a 6-foot board on board cap and trim on that side. That's it.